In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the default username and password for your TotoLink router. Begin by checking the label located on the back or bottom of your router. This sticker contains a lot of important information about your router. Look for a section with login credentials. By default, both the username and password are set to admin. You'll need to input this login information on the router's login page. If the login details aren't on the label, try using admin for both the username and password. At times, the login details may not work. In this case, you must reset the router to the factory settings. If you want a complete guide on how to reset your TotoLink to factory settings, check out my other video, and then try to enter again. It will definitely help you. After resetting the router to its factory settings, you'll need to set it up again. Check the video description for a tutorial on how to do that. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and drop a comment.